Long time ago, God told a man called Samuel to go to Bethlehem and told him that a man called Jesse had a son who will be the king of Israel in the future.
My son Samuel, go to Bethlehem and find a man called Jesse. One of his sons will become the future king of Israel.
Yes, my lord.
Samuel was walking in Bethlehem, crying to Jesse.
Are you Jesse? Are you Jesse? Are you Jesse?
I am Jesse. Are you looking for me?
Yes, the God Almighty asked me to find you, so that you can present me, your sons whom one will become the future king of Israel.
Here, my first son. He's tall, strong, and intelligent.
Wait a minute, he's not the one.
Then here, my other son.
Wait.
After all his sons were introduced, God said no to every son.
Are you sure these are all your sons?
No, I have the youngest, but I don't know, he's small and weak. I don't think.
Bring him to me right now.
Bring David to me.
This is the one that was chosen.
Yes, he's the one. He will become the next king of Israel.
Oh, yes.
There was a war in the land of Israel. King Saul and the Israelites were fighting the Philistines. One of the Philistines was a giant. His name was Goliath. He was very big and strong. The Israelites were afraid of him.
Yo, Israelite, bring me a man to find me. Rawr! Who dare to find me?
Goliath shouted to them every morning and every night for 40 days. None of his Israelites would fight him. God was very angry and made his plans to make his will be done.
These Philistines are very arrogant. They should be taught lessons. That I am the God who can do everything. It is time that I use for my glory.
David's brothers were in the Israelite army. Jesse sent David to take some food to them. David saw the giant.
Go to your brothers and give them this food. They will need it for their strength and return back safely. Yes, Father.
He heard Goliath shouting. He saw that the men were afraid of Goliath.
I shall fight him.
Go, you are too weak. Go take care of the sheep. Don't belong here.
David, I will be with you, don't worry.
My God is in me and I can do this. Oh, look, 5 rocks. I will fight with him, rocks and my sling.
You will find me? You little lad. I crush it in you. And make his regrets to so much inside my big tummy.
No, your stomach is too dirty. I have a God in me and you will lose. I gotta catch you. Boom. Thank you so much, God, for guiding me and protecting me. I love you, my Lord.
King Saul saw David kill Goliath and invited him to live with him in the palace. Saul made David a leader of the army. God blessed David and his army won many battles for King Saul. Also the people loved David.
You are very precious, gift from God. Come and live in my palace.
I am a son of God, fulfilled with His Spirit, humbly acting upon His words.
Another fight went on between the Israelites and the Philistines, where King Saul and his 3 sons died, making David the king of Israel, just like God said. David was very sad to hear his king die with his 3 sons.
One day, he saw a very pretty woman called Bathsheba, who was married to a soldier named Uriah.
OMG, she's so pretty. I gotta catch her.
Oh, my dear wife.
I should kill Uriah and marry Bathsheba. My courageous soldier, come. Because I trust you, I will send you to front of army, so you could lead the section, front section.
Oh, my king, I do anything you say so. Why he is sending me to the front of the line? I don't know, maybe he has something planned out for me.
David sent Uriah in the front of the battlefield so that he would die easily.
After Uriah's death, David married Bathsheba and had a child named Solomon.
Oh, isn't he so pretty?
Oh, yes, he is.
David, I am very disappointed in you. You are to be punished.
David felt trebly bad, especially to God, because he knew he committed a sin. David knew he had been wicked. He was sorry for his sins. He made sacrifices. He prayed to God to forgive him. David suffered it because of his sins.
Oh Lord, please forgive me. Please. Oh, I have committed such a big sin. Please, please, please.
He prayed to God often. He tried to be righteous. He was a good king. David was king for a long time. He became old. He wanted to his son Solomon to be the next king. David told Solomon to obey God's commandments.
My son Solomon, I want you to be next king of Israel.
Yes, Father, I will be the next king.
Solomon, before all things, obeys God's commandments.
Yes, my father. Father! Father! Bury my father in Jerusalem.
And this is the end of David's story.
One, two, three.
Thank you.